everybody, you are watching Prudent Media, and what we are doing today is we are in Don Bosco College where we are going to have a Christmas celebration. Now what exactly is happening in Don Bosco College, and I'm going to try to get all the chaos here, is we are going to be doing cake decoration and a Christmas card making competition. Now this brings together all the various departments and students, so let's check out what exactly is happening here. I am with the teachers here who are in the organizing committee, and the organizing committee is the Value Education Committee of the Don Bosco College. So the event has gone on really well and the students are like really happy. So what was your aim and your thought of organizing such a program?
Okay, since Christmas is coming, we thought let our students enjoy Christmas together. So in order to bring out the team spirit in them, we thought of organizing such competitions. Also, apart from these competitions, yesterday, as a part of charity work done by our students, we also went to the old age home in Providoria and the Margaret Bosco Bal Sadan in Mapsa. And the students enjoyed with the old people and the young boys. They gave them gifts and they had a nice time. So all these are part of the Christmas celebrations.
What is one thing that you noticed from this entire competition?
You can see lots of teamwork, and the students are quite enthusiastic about this. So it's really a nice program.
The same thing I would say. Moreover, most of the students, they normally have clashes in the classrooms and all, but for these events, they're all together, they're all working together. So the team spirit is there in them.
You are a teacher and you have come from Bombay, so this is your first Christmas in Goa. So how are you feeling, and being a teacher in Don Bosco College, what's the spirit inside you now for Christmas season?
I am seeing that there is a lot of enthusiasm amongst the students here, and this is the first time I have seen the Christmas here in Goa, and I find that the students are very creative and they are enthusiastic about the whole thing, and they have turned out the program to be a very successful one.
So as rightly said, yeah, all the teachers feel that teamwork was really a main part which brought together the event. And as people always have the notion that youngsters are good for nothing, we've shown it out in today's program what youngsters can do and how creative they are in Don Bosco College.
Merry Christmas to season, love and joy for every girl and boy. Christmas trees beaming with all for me, you and all. Judging see your card and cake, let it make you shake. Judging sing us so much marks, make a jump in a heart. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas to you. 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 Carol angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy child, born and sinners reconciled.
Okay, you all are the BTTM students in Don Bosco, and this has been happening over the past year. So how did you enjoy celebrating Christmas this year with the card making and the cake decoration competition?
It's our first year, so it was awesome for us, and we enjoyed it with the seniors.
And what did you feel? Christmas is a celebration of the Catholics, but here we had all the students coming together to make the cake. So what was your take on that?
It's good that all of us mix together and we make this occasion a good one.
And what about you? You are in the third year, so this is your final year in the college. So do you think you'll get to celebrate Christmas like this in your workplace?
I don't think so. Like the first and the second year are the best. Mixed together, we get to know each other. Like I said, BM rocks. That's all.
I have with me the teacher of the mass media department, Bovina Sunath. How was it for you this year being a teacher in Don Bosco's and you had to like oversee the things happening with this department for the Christmas celebrations?
I think it is a wonderful feeling when this is the Christmas season and it's the spirit of caring, sharing, and it's like fun. So it was nice to see all the students having fun, but literally they enjoyed everything. And I think our cake has turned out amazing, the card, everything has like turned out amazing.
I feel that the mass media students are going to win, but I'm sure you all have the same gut feeling. So do you all think you all are going to win?
Yes, of course, we have to.
And what about the third year students here? This is your final year in this college. And how have you all enjoyed Christmas celebrations in the past? And what memories of this Christmas celebration are you going to take out and go?
This has been one of our best Christmas parties. We've enjoyed the most here, and we did a lot. And this is our final year, and I guess thanks to our teachers who helped us and motivated us so much, Ma'am Bovina, Ma'am Danushka, Ma'am Kimberly. We did it well. Ma'am Lata also, we got so much of encouragement from them. They did a lot for us. And
I can see a very nice Christmas tree done here with a lot of kind of values and various kind of words written. Whose idea was this, and how have you all tried to get out the Christmas feeling with this kind of?
It was the third year, me, Pragna and Aransha, we did this with the help of second year girl Mona Lisa. The wordings and all have come from us, but the outlay has been Aransha's. So this is a little bit unique, and I think it looks really great.
Thank you. I'm with a cute student here now. He is not Santa Claus, but she's Santy Claus, and this was some new creation done by the mass media students. So what exactly and why did you all come up with Santy Claus?
Well, today everybody thinks that, our world is male-oriented, and we want to show that women empowerment is there. And that's why instead of having a Santa Claus, we had a Santy Claus, so that, we can prove it to the world that women's still there, and, we can take men's place anytime.
And what did you feel about being Santa Claus today? How was the feeling? Hey, hey, hey! Merry Christmas! Thank you. I'm with the BSW student, the Bachelor of Social Work department, and they really put up a really good performance, and it was the Merry Christmas song in the Kolavari style. So Shrikant, you are one of the students here. You're a great musician for your college. So how did you get this idea of putting the Kolavari song into the Christmas kind of thing?